In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SimView for signal analysis with PSIM. We will start with this circuit. This is the circuit I drew in the previous video. And now, when we choose to simulate this one, the SimView window will show up, and if nothing is being plotted on SimView, you will see this dialog box showing up, and what we can do from here is to select waveforms we want to show. So in this case, I'm going to select all the waveforms, including the line waveform, voltage. And as you can see, we can choose to do different types of zoom. We can choose to select more curves to be plotted on the plot. If for any reason we do a zoom that does not show much and we want to go back, we can select to redraw. We can also select to auto scale the y-axis, and in that case all the signals will be fitted onto the plot. This y-axis here does not contain units like the time is in seconds, but here we don't have any unit because we can have a mix of different signals with different types of units. For example, if I choose to remove all this and plot along with the waveform voltage the phase current, now we have two different signals. We have a signal that is amps, is in volts and amps, and therefore the values that we see here will fit both cases. Notice that in a case like this, the plot is not very useful because now the voltage has a huge range compared to the current or the phase current. So how can we fix that? We can choose to add another plot they call a screen, and then we can choose to plot the current down there, and the dynamic range of the y-axis for this one will be adjusted so that we can see the current. So that's for the basics in SimView. We will move in the next video on to measuring different values from these plots using the measuring functions, which are a bit tricky.